In this tutorial, I will show you how to model single phase rectifier using universal base. Okay, for that I'm browsing library and then Simscape electrical specialized power system and sources. We need a IC voltage source. Then under power electronics, we need our universal base. Then we need under passive series RLC branch and sensor and measurement, voltage measurement, and under specialized power system power GUI, and obviously we need scope. Okay, that's all I need. Double click on the universal bridge and change the number of bridge arms to 2 as we are dealing with single phase. Okay, and for electronic devices, set it as diode as we are simulating rectifier circuit. Connect to A and B to AC voltage source, and basically I made a filter to smooth the output, and inductance value like 1e minus 5, and with C value I want LC filter C, and 1e minus 2. Capacitor has to connect it across parallel, and we need resistive load. I'm considering it as using params. Okay, and 100, and again 100. Okay, and connect it here and make the complete circuit. And I want to measure voltage at this point, and scope, and we have to reduce step size, make step size under modeling and model setting. Under solver details, change max step like 1e minus 4. Click OK, and I think all is okay. Now run this model. You can see here our desired DC output. Okay, so this is the way you can model or simulate the single phase rectifier circuit using universal base. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.